Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing the letter A, but not a boring a rainbow doodle A that shines brighter than my mood after eating food. Grab your colors because this little A is ready to become the superstar of the alphabets. Yeah, let's start before it runs away to join the rainbow. And tada, our rainbow doodle A is going to complete. Look at it, so cute and colorful. Even the other letters must be jealous right now. If you enjoyed making this happy little A with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And A.